guys, we have 9 divided by 3 plus 9 minus 7 times 9 plus 1. Now let's solve this correctly. Follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, left to right, then addition and subtraction, left to right. So parentheses first, right? Okay. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3, right? Plus 9 minus 7 times 9 plus 1, right? Now 3 plus 9 minus 7 equals 2 times 9 plus 1. Now 3 plus 2 times 9 plus 1 equals 10. Now after parentheses, multiplication and division, right? So from left to right. So multiply first. So 3 plus 2 times 10 equals 20, and 3 plus 20 equals 23.